Earlier today at 3 p.m., the body of a crew member of MT Tierra Nova was found after the ship sank this morning in the waters of Limay, Bataan.
Napakalaki ng chance na magkaroon ng oil spill kasi lumubog eh. But we have to check yung watertight status, no? Yung kailangan mahingi natin yung configuration ng barko. We're coordinating with that.
The Philippine Coast Guard is now concerned about a possible leakage of over 1.4 million liters of industrial fuel oil from the motor tanker. The incident occurred around 1 a.m., approximately 3.6 nautical miles east of Lamau Point, Limay, Bataan, while the tanker was en route to Iloilo. By 3 a.m., the ship had completely sunk to a depth of 33 meters. The BRP Melchora Aquino was immediately deployed to the scene to assist.
Umalis sila doon sa Bataan, papunta ng Iloilo. Pero during that time na bandang mga alas 10 ng gabi, naramdaman na nila na malakas yung alon at nag-decide yung kapitan na bumalik. Pero initially, nahirapan sila sapagkat ang sabi nila ay pasalubong sila doon sa alon. At ang term ng mga crew ay sumalok sila ng alon. At pinasok yung barko hanggang tuluyan silang nag-capsize.
The Philippine Coast Guard has observed an oil sheen around the area where the sunken ship is located, indicating that it is the oil used by the vessel. Currently, the PCG has not detected any signs of oil leakage from the oil tank of the ship. However, they note that the depth of the sunken vessel is relatively shallow compared to the MT Princess Empress incident in Nauhan Oriental, Mindoro last year, where strong underwater pressure caused oil tanks to leak. Despite this, the PCG remains vigilant and cautious regarding the possibility of oil leakage in this incident.
Ito hindi naman masyadong malalim eh. Pinacheck ko nga kasi nung una, half-submerged lang siya. Baka sakaling mababaw lang at we're hoping no, na hindi maapektuhan yung water integrity ng mga tanks niya. And hindi tumagas yung langis.
The PCG has already coordinated with the local government unit and PDRRMO of Bataan to prepare for the potential oil spill. They are also preparing their personnel to assist.
Hindi tayo magpapakampante ah. We will deploy our Marine Environmental Protection Team. Tsaka i-mobilize natin lahat ng mga personnel natin para kung sakaling magkaroon ng problema, nandun na tayo and makakapaglagay tayo ng boom, makakapag-recover tayo ng langis and hopefully ma-recover natin lahat ng tatagas.
Given the amount of oil ship carries, there is a possibility that it could reach Manila Bay if a leak persists. Therefore, if needed, the PCG will also seek assistance from the private sector.
We prepare for the worst. Kasi oil spill to, industrial fuel oil to, katulad nung tumagas doon sa Mindoro. At it will definitely affect the marine environment at maaring umabot yung langis na tatagas kahit dito sa atin dito sa Manila. And yun ang talagang pinaghahandaan natin.
344-meter vessels of the Philippine Coast Guard have been deployed to the area to assist in case there is a leakage of oil from the vessel tanks. Ryan Lacanlale, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.